Welcome to Speak Flow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Jake. How are you today?
I'm a little tired.
Really? Why?
I couldn't sleep last night.
Oh no! Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, but it was very hot.
I know. Last night was so hot.
My air conditioner stopped working.
Really? When did it stop?
Yesterday evening, it suddenly turned off.
Did you try to turn it on again?
Yes, many times, but it didn't work.
That's too bad.
My room was very hot all night.
Did you open the window?
Yes, I did, but there was no wind.
That sounds terrible.
I slept only about 3 hours.
No wonder you look tired.
I need to buy a new air conditioner today.
That's a good idea.
Would you like to come with me?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great. I don't know much about air conditioners.
It's okay. We can ask the staff for help.
Thank you. That will help a lot.
Which store do you want to visit?
There's a big electronics store near the shopping mall.
Oh, I know that place.
They usually have good prices.
And they have many different brands.
I don't need anything expensive.
Yes, but it should work well.
Exactly. I just want a quiet and cool room.
That's important, especially in summer.
Do you have an air conditioner at home?
Yes, we do.
Does it work well?
Yes, we use it every day.
You're lucky.
Maybe, but our electricity bill is higher in summer.
I understand.
What time do you want to go?
Is 10 o'clock okay?
Yes, that's perfect.
Should we meet at the bus stop?
Sure, I'll be there a few minutes early.
Great. After shopping, let's have a cold drink.
That's a wonderful idea.
Maybe some iced coffee?
I'll have iced lemonade.
Perfect. I hope I can sleep well tonight.
I'm sure you will with your new air conditioner.
I hope so. Thank you for coming with me.
You're welcome. See you at 10.
See you later, Emma.
Bye, Jake.
Hi, Emma. Thanks for coming.
Hi, Jake. No problem. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
You still look a little tired.
I am. I only slept for 3 hours.
I hope you can sleep better tonight.
Me too.
Is your room still very hot?
Yes, it's like an oven.
Oh no! That's terrible.
I took a cold shower this morning.
Did it help?
Only for a few minutes.
The weather is really hot today.
Yes, it's 34 degrees.
I brought a bottle of water.
That's a good idea.
Here, you can have some.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It's so sunny today.
Don't forget your sunglasses.
Oh, I forgot them at home.
That's okay. We won't walk for long.
I can't wait to get into the store.
Why?
Because it has air conditioning.
That's true.
It will be much cooler inside.
Look! The shopping mall is over there.
Great, we're almost there.
There are many people today.
Everyone wants to escape the heat.
I think so too.
Oh, I can already feel the cool air.
Me too. This feels much better.
What a relief.
Come on, let's find the air conditioners.
Yes, I hope we find a good one.
Don't worry, we'll choose the best one.
Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome. Let's go.
That's okay. I just got here.
Are you still tired?
Yes, I am. I really need some sleep.
I can see that.
My room is still very hot.
Did you use a fan last night?
Yes, but it wasn't enough.
That's too bad.
I can't live without an air conditioner in this weather.
I understand. Summer is very hot this year.
Let's go before it gets even hotter.
Good idea.
The sun is so bright today.
Yes. Don't forget to drink water.
I brought a bottle with me.
That's smart.
Are you hot?
A little, but I'm okay.
I wish we were already inside the store.
Me too.
How far is it?
Only about 5 minutes.
That's good.
Look, we can already see the shopping mall.
You're right.
Are you excited?
Yes, I really want a cool room tonight.
I'm sure you'll find a good air conditioner.
I hope so.
What color do you like?
White. It looks clean and simple.
Most air conditioners are white.
That's perfect.
Do you want a quiet one?
Yes, I don't like loud noise.
Me neither.
I want to sleep peacefully tonight.
And tomorrow you'll have more energy.
Exactly.
Look, we're here.
Great. Let's go inside.
I can already feel the cool air. Me too. It feels amazing. Come on, let's find the air conditioners.
Let's do it. Wow, my room feels so cool now.
Yes, it feels wonderful.
I'm so happy with my new air conditioner.
I told you it was a good choice.
You were right.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Is it quiet?
Yes, it's very quiet.
That's great.
Last night, my room was like an oven.
And now it's nice and cool.
What a big difference.
You look much happier now.
Of course, I can finally relax.
I'm happy for you.
Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome. It was fun.
Would you like some more iced coffee?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what's your plan for tonight?
I'm going to take a shower.
Then,
Then I'm going to sleep early.
good idea.
Tonight, I'm going to sleep like a baby.
Laughs. I'm sure you will.
I can't wait.
You deserve a good night's sleep.
Thank you.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I don't have any plans.
Really?
Yes, why?
How about going to the swimming pool?
That sounds great.
It's going to be another hot day.
Swimming is a perfect idea.
We can spend the whole afternoon there.
I like that.
Don't forget your swimsuit.
I won't.
And bring a towel.
Good idea.
We can also have ice cream after swimming.
Even better.
Let's meet at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Perfect.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. Tonight, I'm finally going to sleep well.